Here we have the finest CUB EZ90 Honda that I've ever seen. This came out of a museum, and I've had it on display for several years and never really rode it because it was supposed to be my daughter's, but now she's going to college. She's never ridden it, so I put a battery in it, started right up, test drove it. It's very quick, not for little kids, and it's time to move her down the road. These are extremely desirable and hard to find, especially in this condition with no broken plastic. Nothing's really scuffed up. Tires are like new. You can see you know, the paint on the kickstand and the wear on the foot pegs. Very little mileage on this. If you look at the brake adjustments, chain adjustments, I think this has had very little use. See the brake adjustments on the front tire or front wheel. If I had to be really picky, which I'm going to be with this one because I know these command a good price and people are hot for them, I'm going to pick all the bad things out, which is going to be kind of difficult to do on this nice a bike. You can see the grips. Worst things I see, little scuff there in the word CUB, little indentation with a brake, it must have hit at one time. Little scuff right here on the plastic, a couple chips in the paint on the rim there, probably from rocks. The other side of the rim looks really good. There's a real light scuff here which might polish out. I mean, it's not very noticeable. Otherwise, this has a manual in here and a spark plug wrench. The Kickstarter is under the rear seat like it's supposed to be. There's your Kickstarter access panel. The only other thing I noticed is there's a little wrinkle in the seat. It feels like the edging may have crept up, which could be taken off and moved back down. I've seen that happen on other ones before. Boy, otherwise it's really nice. The other thing is somebody must have used this for a pit bike on a racetrack because it has the slick tires on it and the oil tank's been removed, so it runs on premix. I currently have a smaller battery in it than what it needs. I have the original battery, it's dead, which I'll include with it so you know what type of battery to get. This is one I had on hand to make it run. I'll go ahead and start it up so you can hear it and maybe zip it down the street trying to hold this camera if I can. Key on. Hang on a second. All right. Well, that's the most I've ever ridden it, but it really goes good. So I think that's about it.